Want to unlock the full potential of your brand new iPhone 15 or 15 Pro and get connected to the world? Let's get that SIM card in. First, locate the SIM tray on the left side of your iPhone. It's that tiny slot about halfway down the side. Next, grab the SIM eject tool that came with your iPhone, or use a paper clip. Carefully insert the tool into the small hole next to the SIM tray. Apply gentle but firm pressure until the SIM tray pops open slightly. Don't force it. Now, gently pull the SIM tray all the way out of your iPhone. Take a look at your SIM card. Notice the angled corner. This is important. Match that angled corner to the angled corner in the SIM tray. Carefully place the SIM card into the tray, making sure it sits flush and is properly aligned. It should fit perfectly. Now, gently slide the SIM tray back into your iPhone. Make sure it's facing the correct way. Press the SIM tray in until it clicks and is flush with the side of your iPhone. And that's it. Your iPhone should now recognize your SIM card and connect to your cellular network. You should see your carrier name and signal bars appear in the top left corner if it doesn't connect right away. Restart your iPhone now. You're ready to enjoy all the features your iPhone 15 or 15 Pro has to offer.